Okay, now it's your turn to try these words. Remember, this is an introductory lesson, so you're going to divide your syllables first and then blend them together. For example, for this word, lev, L, level, try the next few on your own. Okay, so if you were able to stay with my cursor, it means that you were going at a good pace. If you were going faster than how I was going, then that's way too fast. Practice again and slow down, because remember, this isn't about speed for this lesson. This is about accuracy and understanding how to divide those syllables and put them back together to listen to where their schwa is.